We're going to Rockwell with Mom Lynn. We're having lunch there. Pretty naman. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, i-share ko sa inyo ang quick lunch escapade namin ng girls sa Rockwell. Pagdating namin, we sat down and checked the menu first. At syempre, unang naging reaction ni Beverly ay sobrang pricey daw. And yes, medyo mataas talaga ang price. But we told her, let's try it. Baka worth it naman. And true enough, super worth it because the food was delicious and the crew were very friendly.
Anong nagugustuhan mo dyan?
Madami. Madami.
Saan?
This one.
Gusto mo yan?
Oh, yeah. Buti na lang, wala masyadong tao, so mabilis yung service, so perfect kasi kailangan namin agad makabalik sa office after lunch. Here's what we ordered: rib-eye steak, sliced beef tender, lasagna with bread, and fish fillet, and of course, dessert. Guys, ang una nag-stand out talaga is the steak. Super tender, very juicy, at ang lambot niya, perfect for people with braces like me. Honestly, hirap ako sa pangunguya kasi kaka-adjust lang ng braces ko, but the steak was so soft that I still enjoy it. I also love the beef with olive oil sauce. The flavor was rich, savory, and really melts in your mouth. Yung lasagna naman, masarap siya and cheesy pero to be honest, wala naman siyang major difference sa ibang lasagna na tikman namin before.